Alright everybody, Kopi Bosian. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to those who are watching this video. This is Dawndoit for the first time ever in English language. And this car in front of us right now is BJ40. Fix me if I'm wrong. It's the year 80s. I'm not really sure what year it is. But look at this car, the classic car with the one of the car which is very popular among the four-wheel communities out there. And let's go one glance, one shot in this video. Okay, this is a BJ40 soft top. This is not what they call it, steel or iron. This is soft top. We can zip it out and open this part over here, up top here, so we can remove. Easy to say, it looks like a convertible, but the one part that got me excited is this side over here, inside here, which is very classic look. Look at the meter, guys, 120 only. Old school key is here, of course, manual. Yep, everything is maintained classic. Look inside, guys. Got its own what do you call it, roll cage inside, I think. And yeah, soft top. Look, I can't even punch it with my own finger. Let's go up first. So this is the car, guys. Sorry, I accidentally pressed the horn just now. Look at how big is this steering wheel, manual transmission and everything. But look at this dashboard over here. Sometimes I wonder, the old school ways kind of look sexy. Fix me if I'm wrong, but I kind of agree with this style of what they call it, dashboard. Old school radio is here. The air ventilation, air condition is here. Old school, everything is old school. Guys, please forgive me if I mistakenly say anything wrong. This is my first time reviewing in English, and I hope you guys like it. Okay, next part, let's go to the suspension side. 15-inch rim with pair with 31-inch tire. The suspension is also from All-Man Emu, the old school sticker. If you guys know, you know. Okay, yeah, leaf spring suspension, leaf spring pair with All-Man Emu. And then this one is the what they call it, electric winch, but it's also from Toyota, installed here for the Toyota BJ40. Short interview, and I hope you guys like it. And of course, we already review in Bahasa Melayu. The boss over there, Big Boss Jim, and this is the back side of the car. Yep, we already reviewed Toyota 4-wheel drive. Look here, last part I'm going to show you guys, the back here. Ooh, if it's a bit longer, it looks like what they call it, an old school ambulance. Old school ambulance. And that's it, guys. I will show you how does the car sound in a while, and I hope you guys like it. So here it is, guys. BJ40, made during the 70s or 80s. Please comment in the comment section below if you guys know what year of this car is. Thank you, Big Boss Jim, and the owner is a doctor. Thank you. See you guys in the next video in English language. Thank you, guys.